In today's digital world, online marketplaces make buying and selling easy. But what happens when illegal content gets uploaded? That's exactly what led to the landmark case of Avanish Bajaj vs. State, NCT of Delhi, in 2008, a crucial moment in Indian cyber law. Let's break it down using the IRAC method. The key issue in this case was whether Avanish Bajaj, the CEO of an online marketplace, could be held criminally liable for obscene content uploaded by a third party on his platform. It all started when an obscene MMS clip of two minors was put up for sale on the online platform Baazi.com, a subsidiary of eBay India, in 2004. The content was uploaded by an unknown seller, but soon caught the attention of authorities. Law enforcement intervened, leading to the arrest of the seller. However, the police also took action against Avanish Bajaj, the CEO of Baazi.com, for allegedly allowing the sale of obscene content. The key question arose: should a platform be held responsible for content posted by its users? According to Section 67 of the IT Act, 2000, publishing or transmitting obscene content electronically is a punishable offense. Additionally, Sections 292 and 294 of the Indian Penal Code, IPC, also criminalize the sale and distribution of obscene materials. The argument against Bajaj was that even though he did not directly upload the content, the platform he managed allowed its sale, making him liable. During the trial, Bajaj's defense argued that Baazi.com was only an intermediary, a platform connecting buyers and sellers. He had no direct knowledge or control over what was being sold. However, the prosecution claimed that since the platform facilitated the sale, it bore responsibility. The court had to determine if an intermediary could be held liable for user-generated content, an issue that had never been thoroughly tested in Indian law before. The court ruled that Avanish Bajaj could not be held personally liable under the IT Act, as the law at the time did not specify the extent of intermediary responsibility. However, he was still made to stand trial under IPC provisions, highlighting the need for clearer cyber laws. This case played a crucial role in shaping India's cyber law framework. It led to the introduction of the intermediary guidelines under the IT Act, ensuring that online platforms have clearer responsibilities regarding user-generated content. This case set a legal precedent for digital platforms in India. The internet is vast, but legal responsibility must be defined. Remember, online safety is a shared responsibility. Stay informed, stay vigilant.